Phase 2 now open. Choose your lot today. The Drew is one of many floor plans offer in Natalie Estates Built by D&F Home Builders Incorporated, known for quality construction and impressive modern designs with open concepts. Standard features include 2x6 construction, hardwood foyer, gas fireplace with marble surround and wood mantle, upgraded carpet and vinyl flooring. Master bedroom features a large walk-in closet. Master bath has double bowl vanity, tub and separate shower. Bathrooms include cultured marble vanity tops and adult height vanities. Also included is a full, unfinished basement, generous size 2-car garage with auto door opener, 12x12 patio. Call today for help choosing a lot and to schedule a home building consultation. Agent related to seller. Photos and virtual tours are sample photos only. This home is not built, but could be built within 5-6 months. Natalie Estates.